大家好，我是你们的中文老师小玲玲。我们今天的主题是天气。Hi everyone, my name is Ling and I'm your Chinese teacher. Our topic for today is the weather. 我们开始吧。Let's get started. So to ask someone, how is the weather today? You can ask, 今天的天气怎么样？天气 is weather, and then 今天 is today.And then 怎么样 is how is it? So how is the weather today? 今天天气怎么样？ You can also ask 今天天气如何？如何 and 怎么样 are very similar. If you're just asking about what it's like outside, you can say 外边怎么样？外边 is outside. And then 怎么样 is how is it? If you're asking someone to read out what they see from a weather forecast, you can ask, 今天的天气预报怎么说？怎么说 is what did it say? 今天 is today, and then 天气预报 is weather forecast. Since we're on this topic, 今天 is today, so tomorrow is 明天, and then yesterday is 昨天. And then, okay, so year, this year is 今年, and then next year is 明年, and then last year is 去年. And to say the year number, you just read out like the numbers from left to right. So because this year is 2021, then it would just be 2021年, because it's 2021. So 2021年. And then 月 is month. So to say the name of the month, you can just put the number before the month. So let's say it's September, so 9月. This month is 这个月. Next month is 下个月, and then the month before is 上个月, because if it was a month before, then it would appear before in a calendar, so that's why it's 上个月. Like, yeah, and the same applies for 下个月. It's the same thing for 星期, which is week. So this week is 这个星期. Next week is 下个星期, and then the week before is 上个星期, because in a calendar, the week before would appear above this week, and then the week, like the upcoming week, the next week, would appear below this week. And then 周末 is weekend, and then there is 日 and 号, which is the day. They're interchangeable. So to say it, you just say the number of the date, and then you end with 日 or 号. So if it was the 30th, you can say 30日. Okay, so let's go over the different types of weathers. There's 晴朗, sunny, 阴天, overcast, so mostly cloudy with a little bit of sun. 多云 is cloudy. 下雨 is raining. 彩虹 is rainbow. 雷雨 is thunderstorm. 打雷 is like when lightning hits. And then 雨 is rain. Let's skip temperature for now. We'll go over that later. There's also 下雪, it's snow. There's 冰雹, which is hailstorm. 冰 is ice. There's 台风, which is a typhoon. There's also 刮风, which is windy. And then 潮湿 is like how do you describe it when it's humid. Now let's go over temperatures. So temperature in Chinese is 温度. So you can have it be very hot, 热 or 冷, which is cold, or 暖和, which is warm. There's also Celsius, so 摄氏温度, Celsius degree, and then there's 华氏温度, which is Fahrenheit degree. And then, so on the right side are some ways that you could describe the weather. If someone asks you, 今天天气怎么样? You can say, 今天天气很恶劣, which means like we have really miserable weather today. Or you can say, 今天天气很好. The weather is very good today. 今天天气不好. The weather is bad today. 今天天气好极了, which means we have beautiful weather today. And then you can also say 今天天气很糟糕. The weather is very terrible today. That's it. Thank you.